Hey guys, what we're doing here is we're working on a water softener. Get that back on there like that. This guy is sitting on here like this. You got some gears. You got gallons until regeneration. That actually has a knob on the side that should be at 3, so that you know where to keep that. You got your time down here, and to change that time, you push this guy in and then turn this dial, and you can change it if it's off. The problem we were having today is that inside here you can see like a little bitty motor. It's a 120 volt motor. Plug-ins right there. Plugs right there. I took this open and looked at it. And this motor actually turns this little gear that actually turns this gear, and turns another gear, and turns another gear, and it actually will turn this black one right here. You can see straight down there, there's a valve that goes down in there. What I'm doing right now is I took this guy off. There's you can see 1 screw right there, 2 screw, and then there's a screw that goes, right here on the back side of this black one right here. You can see, and once you take that apart, this thing will lift up. You can set this right there, and then you have this plate that has 1, 2 screws in it. 1, 2 screws in it, and then take this guy off. The valve actually it's in the van right now, but you can see that there's the valve goes down in there. What we're doing here is because it's actually a little tough to get that valve to turn for it to go through its cycle. It'll go first through regen, and then it goes to backwash, and then it does a couple other things. This is the valve right here. This actually sticks up, and that black gear will screw right into that, and as that gear turns, it pushes this valve down, pushes this valve up, and you have a series of little deals right here. So you got that guy, and then you have a gasket, and so forth and so on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this apart. I'm going to clean all these, make sure they're clean, put some O-ring lube on these, make sure it goes in and out smoothly, reinstall it, do a regeneration on the system, and once I do that, I'm going to retest it and see if the grains per gallon are right. What actually was happening was we got here and the grains per gallon were at 7, so it wasn't putting out soft water. So this is what we're doing. If I have any more problems, what I'll do is I'll come back and make a second video, but as of right now, we'll reinstall this valve all cleaned up and lubed up, test the unit, and see what we got. If you have any more questions, contact your supervisor or go to aefresno.com.